Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a slightly different video. It's going to be a bit of an install video. We got some new parts in for the Fiat and we're going to go ahead and install those today. So check it out. First things first, we got boxes. Let's see what we got here. One of the best parts about new car parts is unboxing. So let's see what we got here from Euro Compulsion. Well packaged as always. Complimentary dum-dums as customary. And a big pack of stuff. Alright, we've got official Alfa 4C ignition coils from Bosch. And a new set of pre-gapped brisk racing plugs. The great thing about these Alfa 4C coils is it's supposed to improve pretty much all throttle response and higher end ignition in the rev range, pretty much across all modification levels. And the great thing about Euro Compulsion with their plugs is that they pre-gap all of them for you. We're still going to check them just to make sure, but it's a really nice thing to have. Okay, moving forward on to the big box. Let's see what we got here. Little Fiat 500 right there on the box. That's pretty interesting. Okay. This is the new floor for the rear seat delete. This will go in conjunction. As you see, already have the rear seats pulled out of the car in preparation for this. Pardon the mess, I need to clean up and vacuum in here a little bit, but we'll check it out. This is not going to be a detailed how-to video on how to install coils and plugs or the rear seat delete with the harness bar from the MS Racing by Posto kit. Those videos can be found elsewhere. Valley Crew did a video on it, as well as NGen Customs and Performance has done one for Coils and Plugs. Hey guys, sorry about that. The GoPro battery died, so went ahead and reinstalled the interior. We've got the brackets installed, and a little update, Luigi decided to have a bit of a blood sacrifice, so I guess we're working now. Alright folks, well, we got the MS Racing by Posto kit installed. Overall, it was a really good kit. The only kind of difficulty I ran into was these brackets. The bolt holes were not quite lining up. It wanted to cross thread, so simply took round file, kind of opened up the holes a little bit, and other than that, it was really good. So bars in place, and the net, as well as the Schrader seat delete, where it's got this nice little lip shelf, keep things from sliding as if the net couldn't stop it. So next up, time for some ignition work. All right, hang on. Well folks, the new coils and new plugs are in, so it's time for the first startup and make sure everything's good.
Okay. What is?
So the new plugs are in, new coils. And we've got our rear seat delete by Posto kit. I'd say we're good to go. If you guys like the video, make sure to hit subscribe, maybe hit that like button, check out any other videos, and look forward to seeing you on the next video as well. Till then, see you later.